Good evening and welcome to the channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I make my lemon infused vinegar. If you're interested in seeing how I do that, stay tuned. If you don't like the smell of white vinegar, using citrus infused vinegar to clean your surfaces, to clean your glasses in your home, glasses like the windows, any glass surface, this will clean as well as now disinfect because you are using lemon and you don't have that distilled white vinegar smell. So give making citrus infused vinegar a try. If you're cutting off your ends like I am going to do, instead of throwing them away, you can place them either in your compost bin or you can do as I've done, and I have an example. This is a lemon infused vinegar. All I did was take a slice of lemon, a piece of lemon, put it in some white vinegar and let it sit. And before long, you have lemon infused vinegar. Now my vinegar actually grew a mother. Can you see that? That's a SCOBY. So this will no longer need a lemon in it. All I need to do is just add more vinegar and leave that SCOBY, and it will turn that vinegar into citrus infused vinegar. Use your lemon pieces or whatever citrus you have, add it to white vinegar and let it sit, and over time you will have a citrus infused vinegar. In order to make lemon infused vinegar or citrus infused vinegar, you're going to need your citrus of choice. I am going to use lemon. You're going to also need white vinegar, a container or a spray bottle to actually use the product that you make, and a container to make it in. I make it in a glass mason jar. So this is some citrus infused vinegar that I made last year sometime, and it's time to decant it into my jar of choice so that I can make some more, because it's that time of the year. Spring is literally right around the corner, and windows need to get cleaned, mirrors need to get cleaned, walls need to get cleaned, baseboards need to get cleaned. It's time to clean, and I need my citrus infused vinegar in order to get me started. So let me decant. All I do is take a container, and I'm using a reused container, and this top is not the most friendly. There we go. Take the top off, and I've got some ick in there from the last one that I made. If you don't strain it, you will get ick. So I'm going to strain it. I have a funnel. And I'm going to strain my vinegar like so. Let me show you guys a better vantage point. A little bit better? I thought so. So I'm just going to take the vinegar with a strainer, and I'm just going to strain the liquid off. And it smells absolutely amazing. Now I've already washed my hands because what's inside of there is a mother. That's a SCOBY. So I'm going to drain this off, trying not to let that SCOBY fall out. There's still some more liquid in there, so I'm just going to, I don't have any extra hands in the kitchen with me, so I'm going to do this and keep that mother in there, or that SCOBY, and drain off the liquid like so. Trying to get as much of it off as I can. There we go. And I've been using this, so I don't have a lot. There's still a tiny bit left in there. So try to drain some more. There we go. and you will have a little bit of mother and debris in there. I'm going to plop that back into the jar. Inside the jar, you'll see, can you guys see that? There is a SCOBY in there as well as some lemon seeds. Hope you guys can see that. I am going to take that out. Well, actually, no, I'm not. I'm just going to add my vinegar. You don't have to take it out if you don't want to. It'll figure itself out. So let's do that. Let's get some vinegar. All I do is take some white vinegar and pour that into the jar, just like so. And you put in there as much as you like or as little as you like. This one is done. So let me open up another jug. I had one standing in the wings because I knew I didn't have a lot in there. And I want to fill this up. So there we go. Right up to the neck, just like that, as far as I'm going to go. And you see how when I poured that vinegar in there, the mother, of course, moves around. So now I'm going to take a few lemon pieces. I have some ends of some lemons that I used. And I have a half a lemon here. I'm just going to place it in the container just like so. And as a matter of fact, I should have put a little bit of, now I'm going to make a mess if I do that. So I'm not going to do that. I was going to try to pour some over the top of the funnel to see if I can get that little bit of mother out. I'm not going to worry about it. And so now I just get my top like so, put it on the container, close it up, and put this in a dark place and keep an eye on it. I'm going to periodically smell it. And once it begins to smell like citrus and of course change in color, it'll be ready. Now this, on the other hand, is ready to use. So all you do is put your cap back on your bottle. And hopefully this cap will play nice. You put your cap on your bottle and you are ready for cleaning. And that is how I make citrus infused vinegar. It is simple and easy as that. That's it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. If you did, do me a favor, like this video, share this video. If you feel so inclined, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.